Welcome to XY Craft Studio. Let's make something. Nora here. In this video, I will show you how to turn leftover yarn into center pole yarn balls. There are 3 tools you can use, and I will start with a crochet hook. A crochet hook with a soft grip is a good choice. Take the leftover yarn. Make a slip knot. You don't need to leave too much yarn at the starting end. Make sure the slip knot and the starting end of the yarn stay close to the top of the crochet hook. Bring the working yarn closer to the handle. Use your non-dominant hand to hold the slip knot and the starting end in place, like this. Then, use your dominant hand to wrap the working yarn over the hook handle a few times. If the yarn is not flowing smoothly and you need to deal with it, remember to use your non-dominant hand to hold the part on the hook in place so it won't come undone. Continue to wrap the yarn around the hook handle. Once you have a few rounds on the hook handle, you can slowly change the wrapping direction to diagonal. Always make sure you are keeping the parts on the hook handle in place. While wrapping the yarn diagonally, every once in a while, slowly rotate your hook in the opposite direction that you're winding, so the rounds can be evenly distributed on the yarn ball that has started to take shape. Keep doing this until you've almost finished the leftover yarn. When there is only a small amount of the yarn left, wrap the yarn around the center of the yarn ball and tuck the end in to secure. Release the slip knot. And carefully take the yarn ball off the hook. Tuck the starting end into the center. And you are done. The other 2 tools you can use are a bottle with a cap and a pen with a clip. The way to wrap the yarn around the bottle or the pen is the same as the method using a crochet hook. What's different is the way we secure the starting end. If you are using a bottle with a cap, put the starting end into the bottle and secure it by closing the cap. Then, wrap the yarn over the body of the bottle in the same way as using a crochet hook. When finished, open the cap and take the starting end out. Take the yarn ball off the bottle. Tuck the starting end in, and you are done. If you are using a pen, secure the starting end in the pen's clip. Then, use the same method to wrap the yarn around the pen's grip area. Using a pen might not work so well with lightweight yarn, because when the yarn is too thin, it might easily slip out from the clip. When finished, take the starting end out of the clip. Take the yarn off the pin. Tuck the starting end in. One more yarn ball is finished. Technically, you can use any cylindrical item to wind the yarn this way. Be mindful that the thickness of the tool will affect the size of the center hole of your yarn ball. So be mindful to choose one with a reasonable circumference. Thank you for following along. Happy yarn winding! For crochet patterns, kits, craft supplies, and more tips, visit our website xycraftstudio.com.